When markets move, the narrative you deliver is critical. S&P Capital IQ Pro consolidates real-time market data, peer benchmarks, ownership insights, and forecasts in one workspace. Start your day with an IR customized dashboard. See your share price side by side with the relevant index and top peers. The live feed pulls in material press releases, SEC filings, and analyst notes. Click any item to open the source instantly. Easily spot upgrades, downgrades, and estimate range shifts. The calendar view helps you track earnings dates, upcoming investor day sessions, and peer earnings releases so you can plan messaging ahead of market-moving events. Once you know what moved, the next step is understanding expectations. Let's pivot into Visible Alpha estimates to get more granular on what the street is underwriting. View segment-level revenue, margin, and KPI forecasts alongside the consensus median. The variance bar instantly flags where your internal guidance diverges from street expectations, giving you a clear pressure test point. Visible Alpha helps you see the divergence early, quantify its impact, and prepare your response. Expectations explain part of the story, but you also need to know what the street is talking about. Use document intelligence as a fast entry point into the market narrative. With multi-document ChatIQ, select a set of documents, like your last transcript, plus a few peer transcripts and recent research notes. Then click Open in ChatIQ and ask a question like, what are the most common investor concerns and bullish themes across our peer group this quarter? ChatIQ synthesizes the results into summarized insights, structured themes, and provides click-through sourcing. Once you understand sentiment, the next question is, who's acting on it? In the single view, see your current ownership mix, identify position changes, and build a targeted investor list. Start with the ownership snapshot, which summarizes your shareholder base, including recent top buyers and sellers. The Detailed Ownership tab surfaces recent position changes along with underlying transaction details. To support proactive targeting, the Investor Screening tool helps you identify investors aligned with your peer set so you can focus your outreach on building the most relevant relationships. S&P Capital IQ Pro supports your workflow end-to-end. That's how you turn fast-moving markets into a clear message and show up prepared for every conversation.